So what's up, guys? I'm gonna give you guys a quick update. We've got some very cool updates in the back. We're almost done. It might not look like it, but I swear we're almost done with the SVR project. The engine is back in, the headers are on, the car is running, and the interior, as you can see, is almost done. We've got the door panels in, the full interior in. Now we're just doing all the electrical work, and this is gonna be really, really exciting for me when it's done. We also got the original, this is actually for the passenger side, the original factory SVR bumperettes. So super excited to be finishing this project. I'm gonna say another 30, 60 days. We'll give you guys some more updates about this. And then our next two big projects. As you can see, we're expanding our service and restoration all the way back. We've got some more techs, some more lifts coming in, and we're having a blast back here. I'm not gonna lie. This came in last week, and I'm really, really excited to share this with everyone. This is not just a Countach. This is one of the early LP400S Series 2 low body cars. These cars, I don't know if you can tell, but they were built on the original LP400 Periscopio cars. And you can see the reason they're called a low body is you can see they're much lower. The roof height and the door height is actually lower as well. And they've got this very cool stance when you look at them. If you guys, especially if you come like right here, and you can see the front wheels are sort of tucked inside like a 1970s Formula One car. And that was really the inspiration. And the car is just much lower than a normal Countach. These cars are very crude. I mean, if you look, the door panels are literally just a piece of leather. The car, these range about 300 pounds lighter than a later Countach example, and they feel so funky. I mean, they've got mouse hair dashes. The interior colors of many of these cars is really cool. This car is so 70s. It's just awesome. So we're gonna do a bunch of little things. Right now the wheels are actually incorrect. These are the later style OZ wheels, which you would have seen, I believe, starting 1982, 1983. This car should have had a magnesium Campanolo wheel, which looks identical. There's a few differences. The first series of LP400S cars had these very cool, they were called a Bravo wheel. So they had like these, almost like a telephone dial. I might actually put a updated version of those wheels on this car. There's a company in Italy that makes an alloy version. It's much safer than the magnesium wheels if you're driving. All around the car, if you look, the paint's not bad. Some of the trim has been painted gloss black. We have to remove that. We have to redo the dash. Unfortunately, the interior is all original, which we're gonna leave. It's really nice, but the dash we've got to do. Now there's a couple really great companies that produce identical materials to the vintage Ferrari in 70s, 80s, 90s from Lamborghini and Ferrari. So very, very cool. The mirrors, this is what you would have seen on an LP400S. The side marker lights, okay, the car was imported to the US. I don't know what we'll do there. But overall, it's a very cool foundation, low miles, 9,000 miles. We're gonna do the carbs and we're gonna get it on the road. We are gonna take you with us. We're gonna do some road trips. We're gonna have some fun. And we're gonna show you sort of this project from step one to, I don't know, a 4-hour road trip or a long drive and really let you guys experience an early Countach. Ready?
I'm ready.
Oh.
I'm holding the camera waiting for you.
Dude, I thought you were like